Himel electric vehicle charging pile, a versatile solution suitable for both private and public usage. LED indicator simplifies tracking the status. Fully complies with the Open Charging Pile Protocol, integrating with various management platforms. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles, with charges calculated using an RFID card. HHEV 2107 compact solution for residential application. Enjoy the luxurious view of auto-grade metallic silver paint with airy touch. Every inch crafted with precision, switch between wall hanging and vertical installation to suit different home spaces. 4.3-inch screen provides easy parameter and status viewing. HHEV 2108 affordable solutions for residential applications. Bluetooth app enables remote control, adding convenience to daily life. Modern, tech-inspired design for the futuristic and aesthetic experience. Rail mounting streamlines installation, making it straightforward. IP65 waterproof rating withstands weather conditions, offering peace of mind outdoors. HHEV 3401 cost-effective charging solution. High currency output capacity of 133A delivers powerful energy to electric vehicles, up to 98% power factor and 95% charging efficiency, maximize energy use. HHEV 3701 high output commercial use solution. Impress 160 kilowatt power and 200 amp current output boost charging efficiency. Wide voltage output from 150 to 1000 VDC to meet diverse charging needs. IK10 protection grid resists accidental impacts, providing security. 7-inch large screen enables more efficient operation. Equipped with dual GANs for flexible power distribution in single and dual plug scenarios. Implemented successfully in Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Cambodia. Notable success: Siem Reap Charging Station Operation Project. Himel electric vehicle charging pile.